Are you looking for ways to access Microsoft Office for free in 2024? Well, you're in luck. In this video, you can use to get Microsoft Office without breaking the bank. It's a web-based version of Office that allows you to create and edit documents, spreadsheets, and presentations in your web browser. Let's dive in. You will need a browser for go-to-office.com. And you go to sign up for free version of Microsoft 365. Click on Get a new email address. You can change domain what you want. Now I choose Outlook.com. Give the name for email address. Click Next. Create new password. Fill date of birth. Click Next. I will recreate password again because my old password didn't allow. Click Next. OK. Now password is successful. Click Next. Now, need to solve the puzzle for account verification process. Finally, my account is verification complete. So, we need to fill the name. Click Next. Tick the checkbox and click Yes. Click OK. Now, I'm in officially gained the free of Microsoft 365 or Office. It's completely free. Let me show you how it all works. Now I can open Word. And this interface should look familiar to you. Next, I will open Excel. And there you have it. By utilizing this method, you can get access to Microsoft Office for free in 2024. Be sure to check the official Microsoft website for the latest offers and promotions. Thanks for watching.